Good morning children. I am Nishi Arora. With me Pooja Pareva. Today we shall study class 12th subject English, textbook Flamingo, prose, lesson 4, part 2, the rat trap. Dear children, in the part 1 we knew about the summary of this lesson. Today we shall do question answers of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Question number 1, word meaning. In this question we shall learn meaning of these English words in Hindi. Greed, लालच. ट्रैप, जाल. हट, झोपड़ी. रिफ्यूज, मना करना. रैट ट्रैप, चूहेदानी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, टिक द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव. Children, in this question we will choose a correct answer. The peddler sells dash. Correct answer is rat traps of wire. So we shall write A in the bracket. Question number 3, write T for true and F for false. Children, in this question we shall write T for correct sentence or F for wrong sentence. Miss Adla is the eldest daughter of the iron master. It is true. So we shall write T in the bracket. Question number 4, fill in the blank with the correct option. Children, in this question we shall choose a correct option and will write in this blank. The peddlers' rat traps were made of dash. Correct answer is wire. So we shall write W I R E, wire. Okay. Question number 5, answer the following question. How did the rat trap seller make a living? Answer, the rat trap seller was a beggar and a petty thief who went around selling small rat traps of wire to make a living. So children, now we have done question answers of this lesson. We will do homework now. Okay? Homework. Question number 1. Write the meaning of the following words in English. In this question, you will write the meaning of these Hindi words in English. Okay? For example, lalach means greed. So we shall write G-R-E-E-D, greed. In the same way, you will write meaning of these Hindi words in English yourself. Question number 2. Take the correct alternative. In this question, you will choose a correct answer. The word itself is a dash. Choose the answer yourself and write in bracket. Question number 3. Write T for true and F for false. The peddler was a poor man. Write the answer in bracket. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. The old man and the peddler played a game after supper. The game was dash. Choose the correct answer and write it in the blank. Question number 5. Answer the following question. When did the rat trap seller undergo a change of heart? Write the answer yourself. So students, now we have completed this lesson. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.